Okay, we'll continue. We'll go to our examples. Okay, number one example is 4/5 times 3/4. So in multiplying, you directly multiply the numerator by numerator and then denominator by the denominator. So we'll do it. 4 times 3 was 12. And then 5 times 4 equals 20. So you can see here, this is not expressed in lowest term or simplest form. Okay, we're going to simplify this by finding the GCF or greatest common factor. Okay, so we'll do it 12 and 20. Okay. Remember, the greatest factor of a number is itself. So the partner of that is 1. So 1 and 12. And then 2 and 6. Next is 3 and 4. So you can see here, these are the factors of 12. Then we'll go to 20. I said a while ago, the greatest factor of a number is itself. So 20 and 1. And then 2 and 10. 2 times 10 equals 20. And then 4 and 5. So these are the factors of 12 and 20. Now we'll go to the common factors. The common factors are except 1 because all numbers have 1 except 0. Okay, 2. And then next 4. So these are the common factors 2 and 4. But we are looking for the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of 12 and 20 is 4. So the GCF is 4. And then next, we are going to divide the numerator by the GCF and the denominator by the GCF. Okay. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then 20 divided by 4 is 5. This is the simplest form or the lowest term of 4/5 and 3/4. Okay. Next, how to find the fraction or to find out the fraction if it is in the simplest form. Okay. We can determine that if their common factor is 1. Okay. We can determine a fraction in simplest form if their common factor is 1. Next, we'll go to multiplying fraction and a whole number. Okay. You can directly multiply this by multiplying the numerator by the whole number. Okay. 2 times 10 equals 20 over 5. Or we can multiply like this. 2/5 times 10 over 1. Because whole number, the denominator of whole number is 1. Okay? So the same. 2 times 10 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, our answer is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? The numerator is greater than the denominator. That is improper fraction. Because it is improper fraction, we are going to express it in lowest term. So our answer will be mixed number or whole number. If our answer is in fraction is improper fraction. So either our answer is mixed number or whole number. We'll try this. Okay? 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay. We have no remainder. If you divide the numerator by the denominator and you have no remainder, the answer is whole number. So our answer is 4. Okay? You have seen it a while ago in my solving. So, because it has no remainder, so our answer is whole number. Next, we'll go to the number 3 example. Okay. In multiplication, you cannot multiply a mixed number by a fraction. Okay? So, mixed number should be changed to improper fraction. Okay, we'll do it. Okay? You're going to do is multiply the whole number by the denominator, or denominator by the whole number. So 2 times 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 1, or you add the numerator and then over 2. Okay, that's how you change to improper fraction. And then multiply it by 1/2. So we are going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 over 2 times 1/2. Okay. 5 times 1 is 5. And then 2 times 2 is 4. Our answer is 5 over 4, or improper fraction. So I told you a while ago that this is not a final answer, because most fractions are expressed in lowest term. So we are going to express it in lowest term. So we are going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 5 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay, we have the remainder 1. Okay. What will happen to these numbers? Okay, our quotient or quotient, this will become our whole number. Okay. And then our remainder will be our numerator. And then still our denominator is 4. So 1 and 4. So our answer is 1 and 1/4. So this is now our final answer, the simplest form of this fraction. 5 over 2 and 1 and 1/2. So this is our final answer, 1 and 1/4. Okay, you can see there in your modules we have there, for example, 1/2 of 10. Okay, of here means multiplication. Okay, so I have given you the example here in number 2, the same of or multiplication sign. So you could do the same procedure to find out the answer or the fraction. So we are going to solve this. 1/2 of, or of means multiplication. Okay. Okay. If it is a whole number, it means the over is, or the denominator is 1. So we're going to multiply 1 times 10 and 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. So we'll find out if the answer is mixed number or whole number. Okay, we'll divide. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 times 2. So we have no remainder, so the answer is a whole number. conscious ako sa camera, ma'am.